Tired of missing out on crucial football moments because you're stuck without access? This quick guide shows you exactly how to watch live football on your Roku TV, so you'll never miss another goal. First, navigate to the Roku Channel store directly from your Roku's home screen. Here, you can download apps that offer live sports streaming. Popular choices include ESPN, Fubo, Sling TV, Paramount, and Peacock, but availability depends on your region. For ESPN, search for it in the channel store, install it, and then subscribe. Once logged in, you can find live football matches under the Sports or Live Events section. Make sure you have a valid subscription to access the content. Fubo is a great option if you want a wider range of sports channels. Subscribe to Fubo through their website, then download the app on your Roku. After logging in with your credentials, you'll have access to live football from various leagues. Sling TV offers different channel packages. Make sure to select one that includes sports channels like ESPN or NFL Network. After subscribing and downloading the app on Roku, you can stream live football based on the channels included in your package. Paramount often streams Champions League and other football competitions. Install the Paramount app, subscribe, and then find the live sports section to access the matches. Don't forget to explore the Roku channel itself. Sometimes, it offers free live sports content or special events. Just go to the sports section in the Roku channel. That's it. With these options, you'll be watching live football on your Roku in no time. Remember to check regional availability and subscription costs before signing up. Now grab your snacks, invite your friends, and enjoy the game.